In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display section available here. Now scroll again and this time choose font size and style. Click on font style and apply any of those fonts by clicking on the best one for you. So when I go back, I can see that my font style has changed. If you wanna try something more interesting, you can also tap on Download Fonts, hit all of those options you want to. I think only terms and conditions are required, and select Agree. Tap on Agree here and tap on any of those font styles you wanna try. Some of them are paid for, so you need to click one and buy it, and some of them are free. If you wanna get one of the free ones, install it thanks to blue button, then sign in into your Samsung account. And hit install again if it didn't take. Now you can choose apply over here, but you can also, and it's actually my favorite way to apply my new font styles, go back to the list and click on the one you just downloaded. All of them will appear here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!